last year, a new Mercedes-Benz S-Class was introduced in the W body. Due to the revolutionary salon, he made a big splash in the class, where he was already a leader. And now the sports AM version of the S is being prepared for release, which will occupy the top step in the hierarchy of the model. And its power can reach more than 800 AP. Mercedes is now actively testing its charged limousine, the last time the new S was seen at the Nürburgring and its surroundings. The camouflage was not dense at all, so we noticed that the car had undergone classic AM modifications, a black radiator grille like all fast Mercedes, enlarged brake discs with red or orange calipers, modified bumpers, a 4-barrel exhaust and original wheels with a characteristic design. But most of all we are interested in the technical filling. According to preliminary data, the new Mercedes-AMG in the W body will receive a hybrid power plant with a V engine and a capacity of more than 800 horses. That is the same as the recently introduced AMG S63 SE Performance. Recall that his power was 843 horsepower and 1400 torque. Dynamics 2 match 2. 9 seconds to 100 km per hour. It is worth noting the layout of such a system. It is based on a V with 2 turbines. This is already about 600 horsepower. It is equipped with a 9-speed automatic with a wet clutch. Next comes the electric motor, which is installed on the rear axle, about 200 horsepower. There is also another transmission and a differential with electronic locking. Mercedes also managed to keep the 4MATIC all-wheel drive system and gimbal transmission. We think that the S-Class with such a power plant and a capacity of more than 800 horsepower will go up 2 km per hour in 3 seconds. Naturally, the chassis will also be modified, because such a machine needs to be stocked, and also sent into turns. The debut will take place very soon. Then we will find out all the technical details, officially. The previous generation S and S had a power of 612 horsepower and 630 horsepower, respectively. An acceleration to 100 km per hour was in 3.5 seconds and 4.3 seconds respectively. The 630 horsepower version simply had a V, the S version is heavier, therefore the acceleration is higher. If you liked the video, you can always support me with a subscription or a like. Thank you and see you tomorrow.